We are the Montessori Academy Edison Lakes. We're a toddler through 8th grade program. I've been involved here for 20 years. I started as a parent and fell in love with this place. And it just kept pulling me back in until they finally, I think, decided to give me a job because they couldn't get rid of me. So now head of school here, I'm Randy Kelly. And what we do here really is provide Montessori education for our kids. And really that just means allowing the kids to do what comes naturally to them. They're natural born learners, and it's much like what you all do at Code School, what I've seen in terms of how you present the work and allow the kids to learn through trial and error, make mistakes, continue to build on what they've learned. And so what we do here is provide the structure necessary for kids, again, to really develop. And we follow the child. So we are able to individualize our approach to children so that it's not a one-size-fits-all. Kids can learn at their rate of speed, they can move ahead, they can get more support if they need it. And we have the luxury of being able to do that with our kids. Code School was doing such great work in the community that it was hard not to notice. I actually happened to know Alex Sadenai through his parents, wonderful people, John and Jenny. And met with Alex looking actually for some suggestions for people who might be interested, as I was looking to hire somebody to enhance our computer science program. And as we were talking, my thought was then, you know, the answer was sitting right across from me. Why not just partner with South Bend Code School, bring the classes here, and I can't be happier with the partnership. I was just telling parents about the video that you all put together, and I encourage everybody to go look at it because I think it says so much about what you all do. And like I said earlier, the level to which you engage the students in what they're doing. They're happy, they're having fun, but they're learning so much because, again, they're giving the freedom to try, make mistakes, fix those mistakes, and try again, and keep going. And they're so engaged in having so much fun that they continue to work and to try more and to work harder to get their desired results. I like to go in the classes and see and watch them, so I've been watching throughout the year. But also last night when we had the 6th, 7th, and 8th grade presentations, I love the fact that you all also give them the opportunity to use the skills that they've learned to do something to benefit the community. I think that's also a wonderful piece of what you do and what we try to do here at Montessori is to be community-minded as we teach our kids peace and inclusion. Similarly, the fact that you all bring that community piece to what you do is, I think, fits so well. But the kids have grown so much in this, and it's remarkable to me from the 2nd graders, and I see the inside of the games or the things they're putting together and the level to which, the amount of work they've had to do to get a ball to move across the screen, to then the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders that are really writing code and doing some pretty remarkable things. But again, it's just watching these kids grow through trial and error that's been really fun to watch. If you talk to educators, I think they'll tell you that kids should be learning a couple of languages in their schools nowadays. We do Spanish, and the other one is code. I think as you point out to the kids when you start, that really everything involves coding now. So from the scanners in a grocery store to certainly every game that they play and the phones that they use and the applications that they access every day, everything is coding. So the extent to which the kids can understand that and then start to learn that language that will be with us from now on, I think is so important.